Good day, folks. Again, we're back again with my Welbilt Mite casement / slider window air conditioner. This will be a quick video for flicker. It's 5,500 BTUs per hour. I forget the watts and everything else, and I can't really show you the tag anyways. I don't think it's gonna keep on. Too cold, so in constant run. Let's see, fire it up. It has a Copeland spring compressor, just like the Comforter Twin has in it, and my brain. The Kara Cosmopolitan has a Copeland as well. Good compressors. That's a little fan. It's pretty quiet up here. See it fire up. Vibrates a little bit, but it's not too bad. That's low cool, which is what most keep it on. And pretty cool. Makes a little more noise than mine. Yeah, won't run it for too long. Let's take a little video of the outside in part 2.